Begin the sample with 2 rows of 10 single crochet stitches. Before making the last single crochet on row 2, prepare for the color change. Begin the last single crochet. Take the new yarn, leave a 7-inch tail, and complete the single crochet with the new yarn color. With the new color, chain 1 and turn. Proceed with making stitches with this new yarn color. Afterwards, securely weave in the ends. It is also possible to change colors when working in the round. Insert the hook as if to begin the slip knot. Make a new loop with the new color yarn. Finish the slip knot with this new color. Continue working with this new color yarn.